with another keto recipe. I'm so sorry I'm not doing a healthy keto eating show today. I'm extremely busy, but I still wanted to offer you a recipe and corn dogs at that. Yep, this girl figured out another awesome recipe that we used to be able to eat and can eat again. Here's what you're going to need. 3 jars of organic coconut oil. I do realize they are expensive, so find it online, or Aldi's offers those jars there for $5 a piece. Find the lowest in carb you can for a hot dog. I found those organic beef hot dogs at Aldi's, 1 carb. You're going to need almond flour, stevia, and eggs, a 3/4 cup, and skewers or sticks. I bought those kebab sticks at Walmart. I just broke them in half. They worked fine. And then you're going to need a deep fryer and a container to make your almond flour in. Now let's get everything ready, starting with our deep fryer. Let's heat that up with 3 jars of the coconut oil, and we'll put it on 400 degrees and let it heat for about 15 minutes. Let's get the almond flour ready, 3/4 cup of almond flour and 3 eggs. Give it a good mix, and yeah, it's going to be really thick, you guys, but we need it thick. It needs to stick to the hot dog, and if you want that little bit of sweetness, add a squirt of stevia. There's the hot dogs with the skewers in it. I just show you 3, but I did 6 hot dogs. That ingredient there made 6 hot dogs. There you see it rolled in the ingredients, how thick it is, and then stick it in your deep fryer. Do only 2 at a time because they stick together, and then put them on a plate. They only cook for 5 minutes. Put them on a paper towel and let them drain. And guess what, guys? They're only 1.5 carbs a piece because I found the lowest in carb for a hot dog. And I'm dipping it in mustard there. You can definitely use a sugar-free ketchup. And they were delicious. No, they're not state fair corn dogs, but for a keto style, OMG, delicious. Definitely give this a try and let your children try it out too. God bless and take care, everyone.